What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a video doing my sister hair. As y'all can see, she wanted to do TikToks or whatever, so we gonna install a 24-inch deep wave wig on her. It's already custom, bleached, knots, and plucked. I didn't record the wig on camera, but y'all will see when we get started. So now I'm just finna put the ball cap on her head and go ahead and lay that down. Y'all, her head so big. Y'all, this is my first time ever doing a video like this, like on somebody else. So please bear with me as I go through this process with her and being in the camera. I know I'm gonna be in the camera a lot. So please bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna be in the way plenty of times. So just like I said, bear with me as we get this girl slayed to the T, baby. And y'all, right here, my mama came in, and look how we both looked up. That is so funny. And y'all, this glue, I really liked this glue, the way it stick for a long period of time, but it has its pros and cons. But what I don't like about it is that it turned like a bluish color, and like if it don't dry out the way, you'll be stuck with that color. And I don't know if this from other glues. Other glues do the same, but I feel like this glue takes forever to dry. Forever. So yeah, I did a good 2 to 3 layers of glue, and I'm making sure the edges on the side stick, because that is important on your cap. You don't want the cap coming up already. So yeah, right now I'm finna put the makeup on the lace, and then I'm gonna put it on her wig cap. I didn't really get much of that on camera because I was in the way, like I said, but as y'all can see, I'm finna continue to try to dry this glue because it takes forever. I went ahead and put on the makeup on her wig cap. Now we finna cut. Look at me. Crazy. But anyway, I'm finna get to cutting the cap. And then, you know, after the cap is cut, it's time to get down and diggity into the wig, baby.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel.
And what I like to do, I like to cut the cap on the front, but I still like to leave the little thing on. Like you see, I put it to the top so the wig can still be in place and that it won't be lined up on her head, if you get what I'm saying. So now I'm just going around and cutting the excess that wasn't stick down or glued down, and then I'm just making sure I wipe all the excess glue off or makeup off that don't need to be there. Yeah, this girl had sideburns like a wig. I had to go and cut these. Look out of here. That's from all that good hair and thick blood we got in our family, baby. Stop playing. Okay, so right here we got the wig on. We finna cut the what is it called? The lace that we don't need. We finna cut those out on both sides, as you can see. You're gonna see me do in the video. Just make sure the hair you're using is out the way, because you don't want no little bitty hairs that you cut. Okay? This is one of the main parts that I gotta stay focused on cutting this, because you don't want one side to be longer than the other side, and like it has to be even ear to ear. I went ahead and did the other side. As I told y'all in the beginning, I was in the way a lot, so I cut that out. But as you can see, I did both sides. So now we finna get into this glue.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide.
I just thought about what I said in the beginning on the ball cap method. I don't put 2 to 3 layers on the ball cap. I put 2 to 3 layers of glue when I'm about to lay the wig, not laying the ball cap. If you get what I'm saying.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Okay, this was my last layer of glue, and as y'all can see, y'all can tell how it's like a bluish color. So right here, I'm laying the wig on this big head. So right here, I really just sectioned off the parts to make sure that it was flat.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need.
personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you.
This why you can't have a camera or nothing in these folks' face while you doing their hair, because they want to look at their hair and shoot their nose up and down like it, this and that. But look at her. Look at her. I have to get the parts in the right side part. She's like, well, I look like it's in the middle. Girl, give me time to sit down and watch me work, honey.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby.
I don't care how many times you need to high comb get their hair straight or flat, baby. Do what you need to do. This is some good hair, y'all. Shop my collection. Website coming soon. Y'all, what lace though? Do y'all see it? Tell me if y'all see it though, because I think that shit is melted, baby. Look at me in the way. Need to get my big back out the way. And y'all, this is the finished look. As y'all can see, I'm trying to get a little few pictures in and showing how to pose. But yeah, this is the finished look, y'all. And I'm trying to get these good angles and take these pictures, but she don't know how to pose. But whatever. Thank y'all for watching my video. Tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to subscribe with Things with P, because there's a whole lot of things going on over here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Comment down below what else y'all would like me to do, or what y'all like to see. So thank y'all for watching, and yes, I'm out.